Not too keen on the tube, are you?
I'm frightened. I don't like it, frightens me.
What's it used to?
I'm doing this again. I do like that one bit. That film Ghost. And with Patrick Swayze was in it, and they were just walking through the walls. Oh, I don't like it. I like it. Safer on the bus, you know. Anybody can be out down there.
Arrived, Linda. What do you think? First impressions?
Lovely. Look at that. A night on the Sunborn yacht.
Every day you get to go on a super yacht, is it?
No. On the Thames in London. Would you believe? Yeah.
Well, you're not going to get seasick on this, are you?
No.
No need for the seasickness tabs.
No, you don't need to take them. Oh, plane coming in.
Plane coming over.
What this?
Yeah.
You
Go, Linda. Linda. Don't get seasick. Linda, it's a posh lift, isn't it?
I know. This is a beautiful lift. Look, it's all gold. And it takes you up to the reception area.
Fantastic.
Third deck for reception, sundown bar, and bedrooms. Doors open.
Oh, come on in. Oh yeah, look at that. There you go. How'd you do? All right. There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, I'm on it, am I?
Yeah, you are if you want to be. You don't have to be.
Subscribe.
So this is the bar on the Sunborn yacht.
I always go so that I can just grab it.
Well, the weather's not too good, is it? And we can't
No.
book in for another hour yet. So, and it's raining. So, we come to the Fox, which is a little pub opposite the Sunborn yacht.
Sounds good to me.
And me.
Alcohol.
Yeah.
We're just coming into our room, which is 5028.
Okay.
As you can see, we've already slept the night. Bed was a bit firm, but it was comfortable. You have complimentary water, nice size mirror. So you have a fridge, which is ideal if you wanted to bring a bottle of wine or, you know, some even non-alcoholic drinks. That is a cupboard for your, because we've already stayed the night, you got a tea making set, you've got a coffee set. This is what they call an executive king room with a sea view, Thames view, sorry. Get out. With a balcony, you get 2 chairs on there. So, of an evening, last night was beautiful. Everything was lit up. I can't really fault it. Okay, so you have a nice sized double wardrobe. If you were planning to stay more than one night, which we only had one, you've got dressing gowns, lady slippers, ironing board, iron, yeah, all in there. And in the next one, you have your safe. Yeah. This is your shower and toilet. The door is quite heavy, and when you go in, it just closes behind you. You don't have to shut it. Just be aware there is a step to go in. I believe it's got underfloor heating. I did notice that this morning when I had a shower. Beautifully done it. You've got little shower cap and face wipes, which I've already used. Hand lotion, the shower. shower. Really nice. Yeah. Can't fault that either. Excellent. So my overall rating out of 10, I will say, I will give it 8 out of 10. It is lovely. Like I say, the bed, you know, was a bit too firm. The mattress is not that thick. Tea and coffee, they could have given you, I think, a bit more. You only get 2 tea bags, so sometimes, but I do tend to bring my own just in case because of that reason. Because I like to have a few cups of tea in the morning. But yeah, I just think it is a lovely yacht. And I would recommend to come and stay. Whatever room you have, I think you would be quite happy with the overall of it.
It's typical London weather. Floating, here's the walkway. Which sort of like fits in with the yacht really, doesn't it, Linda? Yeah. The winter lights of London.
Oh, winter is right.
Yeah.
Yeah, Scotty. Into a place that's warmer.
It's a bit nippy, isn't it? Yeah. Everything. Politics. Spell that. Is it yum?
Oh, I see in Yum.
The longest
Escalators I have ever seen and been on. Honestly.
They go forever, don't they? Yeah.
But a mile long we are, I reckon.
I think we'll be mining for coal and oil. Keep going down on this one. Okay, Linda. That one there, look. So you've got the protective door, and then
Like it used to be years
two
ago.
opens look like that, yeah.
So we've just been to see the London Lights at Canary Wharf, and this is our hotel for the night.
We're going to have a little bit of a competition.
Okay.
Now, Linda,
Right.
I'm going to point to the building, and you're going to name them, okay? From our view,
Yes.
from the yacht, right. That triangular building there, what's that?
That is Canary Wharf.
Canary Wharf, well done. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Canary Wharf. That's 10 out of 10 for that. Now,
Where's your finger?
what is that building
That's
there?
the O2 Arena.
Well done, Linda. That is the O2. So you got Canary Wharf there, and the O2,
O2
there.
Arena there.
Right now, what is those lights across the top there? There's some blue lights across there. What is that, Linda?
Those. Oh, look at the cable cars.
Correct.
Move. I just
Yeah,
realised.
yeah.
Do you know what? I've just realised they're moving.
Them across there. Yeah.
Well, they were
So-
moving just now when we first
They're,
came out the other
they're
day.
moving now, Linda. That's the cable cars. So you got the
though.
cable cars, O2 Arena, and Canary Wharf.
We are on the Sunborn yacht, on the Thames, on the balcony, having a lovely glass of wine.
Yeah, it's not a bad room. This room 50.
The room
To
is
ice.
absolutely. I mean, it's an executive king room with a balcony overlooking the Thames. You can have one with a dockside view, but I just thought the Thames would be a better view to have, which it is. I mean, look at the beautiful lights that we've just shown you. Absolutely beautiful. You know, it's an experience to come on, even if you only do it once.
Cheers, Linda Pittman of Linda Pittman Travels.
Cheers. Yum yum. Like what you see, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Top deck. There's plenty of seating, especially in the summer. It would be lovely to sit out there. You've also got beautiful view of London from outside. Yes, absolutely lovely. To the arena, the Yacht Hotel, which they do. Well, you can go and look at the worms in there if you want to, and plants.
Yeah.
I don't really fancy the worms myself.
Yeah. There's a worm exhibition on at the moment.
Yeah, you can look at the worms in a worm exhibition.
Yeah.
We'll give that a miss though, shall we?
Yeah. Well,
It's got the cable cars, which is very handy if you don't want to go on the tube. I don't think they're that expensive.
Hi there.